Hi, I have something very curious to talk about today. The supernatural. And by definition, the supernatural doesn't exist. It's supernatural. It's outside of the natural world. Specifically, the one supernatural thing is the soul. You don't have a soul. Sorry. There may be some mechanism there, but as far as we can tell, we cannot find the soul anywhere in the body or any way it might be attached to the body. And as far as we can tell, we live in 3 dimensions of space and 1 dimension of time. There is nothing outside of those 3 dimensions that we know of. And we have done very accurate description of the human body. And all the parts of the human body are labeled and named, and there's pictures of them, and nowhere was anyone able to find anything resembling the soul. Not in the brain, not in the heart. Now we have a feeling we have something like that, but we may have been trained to make that association of a concept with certain bodily feelings, like when we have a feeling in our chest or our head. But, get over it. If you think you're a rational, thinking, no-nonsense person, there is no soul. And it is a superstition and a fantasy that you hold on to, that you base your decisions on. And now that doesn't mean you stop living morally or ethically, and it doesn't mean you necessarily do anything different in your behavior with your fellow men, but there's no soul. It does not exist. If you can find a picture or real scientific evidence of the existence of it, verifiable, objective observation of the soul or the action of the soul or where the soul is attached to the body, and it's repeatable, so someone else could do the same observation on a different body and find the soul, then leave a message here, because we want to know. But until that time, there is no soul. You do not have a soul. And neither do I, even though I can play piano somewhat soulfully. Thank you, and leave your comments below.